Secondary Education, major in English.
Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration.
Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Bachelor of Arts in Communication.
Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Bachelor of Science in Information Technology and Associate in Computer Technology. Let us also witness the entrance of the faculty members from the College of Allied Health Sciences. From the College of Information Technology, Engineering, and Justice Education.
And the faculty members from the College of Hospitality, Management, and Accountancy.
They are to be followed by academic officers, beginning with the academic coordinator for the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology program, Mr. Marlon J. G. de Guzman.
The academic coordinator for the Bachelor of Science in Nursing program, Ms. Sheila P. Natividad.
Stas.
The academic coordinator for the College of Customs Administration, Ms. Florence C. Dimla.
The academic support coordinator for mathematics is Madeline C. Pangilinan.
The academic support coordinator, Ms. Leslie Ann G. Roman.
The assistant dean for the Bachelor of Science in Nursing program, Mr. Mark Joseph D. Magtanong.
The assistant dean for the College of Tourism and Hospitality, Ms. T. Marcela J. Cruz.
The assistant dean for the College of Information and Communication Technology, Ms. Nina P. Nigdao.
The assistant director of the Curriculum Planning and Development Office, Mr. Ron Louis C. Ramos.
The officer in charge for the College of Mathematics and Engineering, Engineer Raymart R. Garfin.
The Dean of the College of Science and Education, Dr. Doreen Rose R. Australia.
The Dean of the College of Allied Health Sciences, Mr. J.V. F. Darakay.
The Dean of the College of Criminology, Dr. Antoinette R. Layu.
And the Dean of the Curriculum Planning and Development Office and officer in charge for the College of Hospitality, Management, and Accountancy, Mr. Eduardo S. Vistan Jr.
Approaching next are the administrative officers, the senior bookkeeper, Ms. Leslie T. Agrade. The Human Resources Department Manager, Ms. Maria Cristina C. Perez.
The Property and Purchasing Manager is Ana Margarita C. Carlos.
The Finance Manager, Ms. Susan M. Sarzaga.
The Operations Manager is Marian N. Lazarte. The Institutional Student Program Services and Student Development Services Officer is Leah C. Cuevas.
The Head of Admission and Promotions, Ms. Lorna G. Cabanto.
The Assistant Manager and Guidance Advocate for the College of Allied Health Sciences, Ms. Queenie Rose T. Gamo.
The Officer in Charge for Student Welfare Services, Mr. Erman T. Manrique.
The Director of Admission and Public Relations Center, Ms. Tricia Doniz E. Cortez.
The Director of Student Affairs and Services, Ms. Maria Jane M. Romano.
The Assistant School Registrar, Ms. Karen P. S. Australia.
The School Registrar, Ms. Rabina O. Luque.
The Assistant Vice President for Asset Management, Mr. Felix Ryan E. Ayacto.
The Director for General Services, Mr. Froilan E. Estrella. The Vice President for Asset Management and Chief Operating Officer for Administration, Ms. Raquel S. Estrella.
The Vice President for Operations, Ms. Christine Dayan A. Ramos.
And the School President, Dr. Josephina E. Ayanco.
Our alumni testimonial speaker from the Bachelor of Elementary Education Batch 2014, Ms. Annie Rose D. Reyes.
And our esteemed commencement speaker, the Director for the Commission in Higher Education, Dr. Maura Consolacion D. Cristobal.
Carrying the college emblem is the Assistant Director for Legal and Discipline Office, Mr. Jason T. Labrador.
Everyone, behold the entrance of the college and the national colors.
Victoria P. Dean's Lister for second semester and top for a New Energy Nexus Philippines Next Step Startup Cohort Program Competition. Victoria P. Dean's Lister for second semester and top for a New Energy Nexus Philippines Next Step Startup Cohort Program Competition.